So, we bent these tabs back with the screwdriver. Then we use needle nose to straighten them out, and I could feel there's a spring pushing back. But here we go.
This is the same day we just did the other video. So.
Here we go. So that's that. That's the inside of the contacts. So it should all just be this. This should be it. This is a contact plate. I'm really surprised. So that means these contacts bent. You could probably bend them back, but they're burnt to crap. And which one was it?
It was brown and green.
Oh, not brown and green.
What do you mean?
It was an orange, because orange is right next to empty.
Oh, I thought you meant like...
Orange is the one that's not working. Orange is the one that's not working. So brown is going to be the center here. Because see, that center, this is brown. Because that's making contact throughout. That's this contact. And then... Is this in the off position now? Yes, it is. So that means when this gets flipped over, this one's green. Green is this outer tab, probably. That's strange. Is that connected? Is there a connection there? I can measure that out. Where's my meter? It's inside the car.
Yep.
That's how we'll figure this out. Pause.
Okay, we're back.
Yeah, so orange is the one right next to empty. You can put it down. I'll use some metal. And that's that. 0.3. Let's see what other terminals. It's not that. I don't know, a lot of crap. Like melted stuff here. It's this one. Let's just see what the other terminals read. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. I'm wondering if we could fix this switch. It actually feels like there's just crap that melted on. But it is hard to turn. I feel the notch, and it's this. If you look, this right here seems like it's been pushed down. If we pushed it up, if we push this back up, I think it'd be good. Problem is it's already disturbed, so it's not worth it.
Yeah.
This actual portion right here is melted.
You already got a part coming in, don't you?
Yeah, 10 o'clock. But I want to see if I could actually replace this.
Wait, is this the part that you were complaining about, saying like it's supposed to come today at 10 and it's
Yeah.
already passed? Oh, that's
No.
the part.
It's not that it's passed. I was just comparing prices. We're in different places, and I was just really upset that Rock Auto's ripping me off again. Like always, I'm always thinking mail order's cheaper, but it's not. Don't worry, I'll blow that out. Yeah. By the way, when you remove these, you just push these tabs. It's kind of pain because you got to pinch all four to slide it back. How do we move this up? Pause for a second while I ponder.
What are you doing?
I'm just scratching off these terminals because it feels like there's a pitting on them. So I'm taking this flat X-Acto blade and I'm scraping them.
To get like all the dirt off?
I know there's a pit. It might be like a little non-conductive, who knows what. This goes on like this. Press down the spring, rotate, and it locks into place over there. And then, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna slap some conductive grease in there. And we'll see what happens. Conductive grease here. Probably start welding. Not funny. Conductive grease. Overdoing it, but whatever. And then I also scratched like whatever was caked on and burnt on inside here.
Now it's all nice and shiny.
Well, not all, but you could see there's a bunch of stuff that I don't think is conducting. I mean, some of the black parts are actually plastic. Problem one is this one right here. Well, let's see what happens.
Conductive grease.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. And of course, this is going to be a multimeter test, which isn't going to be the equivalent of, yeah, so this goes up top. And this is like that, that goes there. Where are those pliers here? Push down.
Squeeze the pins.
Yep. Really hard to do. And that one went over a little bit. I think we're going to push him down with what he caught. Screwdriver.
What about a screwdriver?
What?
What about a screwdriver?
I think we're going to push him down with the screwdriver.
Okay.
So that's how we unbend him. Maybe like this. Push him down. There we go. That's right. Better than a screwdriver.
Mechanical advantage.
I'm applying force in the direction we need to bend, so probably has a lot to do. Did you get that? You should have zoomed in right here. Zoom in right here. So you can actually see.
Wait.
There we go. Well, you missed it. It's over. You zoomed in too much. You couldn't see?
Yeah.
Horrible cameraman. I get what I pay for. Free is free.
Yeah.
I give you money whenever you ask, though. All right.
Yeah. I don't really care. You give me money when I earn it.
You know, for some reason you didn't earn that phone that you got, though. It's nicer than the one I got.
Well, that's because I waited a year longer than every single other kid.
Oh boy, you should not have a nice phone like that. That's wrong. Okay, let's see what happened. By the way, no, it still catches. You can feel it right here. It's getting hard to push. But let's see if we got contact.
And you can hear it too.
Yeah, I know. You can hear it. It's just a little bit of a different click.
Like deeper.
Orange and brown. So empty and second from empty. Be damned, look at that. It's kilo ohms though. That's probably just the conductive grease. See the K right before the ohms? That's important. That's kilo. So that's 7,000 ohms. It's pretty high. That's pretty high. What's that?
Oh my.
Yeah, I know. It's just the conductive grease. Let's see if we fix the other ones though. Low speed.
Wait, have you
So
checked
brown to speed 1, which would be yellow. Yellow is going to be the one above the empty. Let's see what cleaning those contacts was like. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's kilo as well. I think I screwed up the switch. So $9 switch it is. 2 will be here.
Don't do this with your switch, is what he's trying to say.
Yeah, well, it's already broken.
I guess
29 kilo. It's worse than it was too. Yeah, so once you take the switch apart, it's pretty much done.
Yeah. So now you can keep it as a souvenir.
Wait a minute. I think I had the wrong position. Just check that out. That's really good, actually. Hold on. The middle from the 3 bottom pins to, look over here, to this terminal, that's like 0.1 ohms. That's awesome.
Can't see it.
Who can't see it?
Everyone on the screen.
Then why aren't you doing it? That was pin 3.
In the dark.
Pin 3. Speed 3. Light blue to brown. Light blue to brown, that's really good. That's speed 3. Let's see, speed 2 is purple. Purple is speed 4. So this is speed 4. Yeah, I had these mirrored. Holy shit, look at that.
It's
0.1 ohms, that's really good. So cleaning up those terminals actually did work.
Nice. Should we put it in and try?
Hold on. But we're still not getting orange.
Ah.
Oh, well, we are getting 7 kilo ohms, but it's not even set to high speed. So that means the conductive grease is actually creating a speed, which is not a good thing.
Meaning if we plugged it in, it'd start like going off.
It'd probably be going all
zero?
speeds. Okay, this is still kilo. And then an off, I should go from these bottom two.
Wait, so when that
And I am. Oh, look. But the other speeds are really good now.
So when you put conductive grease in, should you let it dry, Daddy?
No, it doesn't dry. Grease doesn't dry. It's not supposed to. It burns up. All right. Wait a minute. Which one is this one? Furthest away from empty is yellow. A yellow is speed 1. Speed 1. All right,
Okay.
all right.
You got food.
That works. I'm almost curious. I almost kind of want to plug this in and try it. You want to plug it in and try it?
I don't know.
Probably
I feel
not.
like it's dangerous.
Like I'm going to screw something up. But
Exactly.
fun, fun, fun. Let's go.
Fun, fun, fun.
All right. You should be on the other side.
Well, he's plugging it in.
Watch now. There's going to be smoke and fire. Where's your fire extinguisher?
Don't got one. Got my air.
Oh wait, I'm
But that'd
plugging
make
this
it
one in
bigger.
upside down. Am I? No, I'm not. That's good.
Don't worry, the car's so damp it won't have a fire.
That's true. Yeah, we got to figure out what's going on with that water. All right. Well, now here, before we plug in the resistor, we can actually measure what's going on down there. Here, let me get my voltmeter. You chill.
What's up, guys? Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
So now, I'm supposed to get, if you took volts, DC, back probe into our ground. Check it out, I actually do get 10 volts. And then this is 12 volts, which is, well, dead battery is what we're at. Flip it to speed 4. Hold on, let me get my cheat sheet. No, actually I got this here. Speed 4. Purple. Purple. It only for one, for the brown and green. But purple should be speed 4. Did you just put up speed 4?
Yes.
Purple is actually, well, how's this work? A, B, C. So purple is C. Well, look at that. That works. That's 4. Now we go to 3, which is light blue. Did you go to 3?
Yes.
Light blue. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Look at that.
11.
All right. What's next?
Speed 2.
All right, speed 2. That's probably going to be.
Yellow is speed 1, so.
Oh, you remember that. So that means tan is going to be 2. Okay, now let's try speed 1. This is yellow. Oh, wait. Why do I see something on yellow? See, that's the problem.
I didn't put it on yellow.
Yeah, I know. And yet we got a voltage on all of them. So the conductive grease is conducting to all the speeds.
Oh, no.
Yeah, probably not a good idea for our...
Scratch all of the stuff we just said.
Yeah, well, we're just going to put in our $9 part. Now, while we're waiting for our $9 part to come in, we're going to figure out why this carpet is soaked.
Yep. And I'm
But
gonna go,
hey, we got the high speed to kind of work. So.
Yep. I'm going to go eat dinner now.
All right, dinner, breakfast, dude.
Yeah.
Okay. What time is it?